Hello everyone, how's everyone doing? Hope you all are doing good. Hope you all are resonating with the readings. Do let us know in the comment section how you like the readings. What else do you want us to bring in? And I would be more than happy to bring the readings or certain tips or things which you like. So let's see what is in store today. Rest and rejuvenate. So maybe today the universe is asking you to take some break, take a rest, and not stress much about the work. But let's just pull out one or two cards more. Financial and material changes. All right, so maybe one more card. Material investment. So I guess today the day is more as to you should rest and you should not break your head over unnecessary issues. And also, when these two cards come together, I feel it's a day where you should actually work on your finances, work on your in case you want to invest in certain shares or in something, you can invest in that. And whatever this changes which will bring this transformation, this finances will bring, I feel will be positive, because the material harvest shows that whatever you've invested in future, it is going to give you good results. So maybe overall focus today on resting, and on if there's any financial thing that you feel you want to work on, anything that you want to attract through the law of universe, and you want that to come in your favor, then today is the day for it. So it's a perfect timing. So consider whatever investment plans you have, whatever other plans you have, consider them, take them forward, because these plans will be successful for you, and these will somewhere give you the necessary profits or the necessary advantage that you wanted. Today I feel the color is red, because more of red is what I see. So today the color is going to be red. And today in the morning, just chant Om Gam Ganapati Namah 108 times, and then start your day. And I'm sure it's going to be a beautiful day. Have a blessed day. Thank you.